This is gonna be a startup of a 2020 Rheem and Ruud air conditioners. So here's our 2020 Rheem air conditioner. I'm gonna start that up real quick. It'll be like a minute. Alright, the Rheem air conditioner is now on, as you can see. Yeah, May 2020. This is not exactly cold, probably because I just turned it on. Now, here's a 2020 Ruud air conditioner, literally on the other side of the house. Emerson Copeland school compressor. This is from 2 months later in 2020. So yeah, it'll also be a minute before that is turned on. Probably even longer, because now I have to, because the thermostat's a little farther away from this side of the house. As you can also see, now Ruud air conditioner's on. Yeah, it's July 2020. It has a different suction line feeling. Also not exactly cold. There's a disconnect box. Not really gonna mess with that right now because we don't need to. But that's gonna be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.